This is the video guys to learn how to automatically write dates in Excel in just a few clicks, like right here, date. Here type the 1, select it, and in the home tab here series column step value 1 2 3 6 5, click on OK. Now we have 365 days numbers in series, select it in the date. So actually need to enter the date here firstly. So control semicolon, you have the date, current date, or you can also type manual date and double click on this corner this way. And also you can change format, so short date or long date. Even more formats here, select date and select your required format like this. Thanks for watching.